The Westmoreland police have added their voices to the calls for better roads in the parish. Speaking at the monthly Chamber of Commerce meeting on Thursday, Deputy Superintendent of Police Myrna Ferguson Campbell says the poor state of the road is hampering their crime-fighting efforts. DSP Ferguson Campbell says while motorists may feel the need to protest, she's urging them to do so in an orderly manner.
The bad road condition, it is making our job much more difficult. We had demonstration in the Hampering area, and even though we had to work our hearts go out to the residents, we know how difficult it is for persons to go through on a day-to-day basis.